Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to add photos to your Shopify store. So first you need to get a file upload app for Shopify. Go to Shopify App Store, search for image upload apps. For example, here we have upload, dash lift image upload. Find the app, click on install, and then you will be redirected to the app's installation page on your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on the install button again. Now what you need to do, guys, is come here and enable the app embed. So you need to choose the theme where you want to add the upload option, right? After that, click the enable app in theme editor button. And after this, you will be redirected to the editor. Embed the app by clicking the switch right there and then click on save. Now go back to the setup page and enter the email where you want to get support communications and news about app updates. And you may also choose the app language. All right. Then go ahead and select the products. All right. Go ahead and search for that and then add products of your choice. Then you need to go ahead and do this, right? So a view upload location on product page button will appear. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will see how the default button looks like on your product page. What you can do is you can go ahead and add the Shopify upload photo option, right? Navigate to the app on your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll find all the upload fields displayed here, and you can switch the active button to enable or disable them, okay? And to customize the upload photo option, click on the edit button right there. And then you can edit anything from information, upload field, and display settings to upload location and file settings. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on save. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.